Hi friends, today I Vansh and
I Ritin.
from 8th of JK Public School, Unjwani, Jammu are going to present a project on National Science Day. The name of our project is
Hydraulic arm. The aim behind this project is to reduce human work. The thing needed for this project are toothpick, cardboard, zip ties, 10 syringes of 10 ml, 2 copper wires and adhesive.
So friends, this is our hydraulic arm that can open and close its hand and lift up anything left to right. We can open its hand with the help of this syringe containing red colored water like this. We can also rotate this arm back and forth with the help of this syringe containing green colored water. Now this arm can also be moved with the help of this syringe containing blue colored water. After we have picked an object in the hydraulic arm hand, we can also move it from left to right by rotating the base with the help of this syringe containing uncolored water like this. Now we are taking a bucket and we can also lift it to left and right. So guys, I hope you like this video. We have made this project on a very small scale, but you can modify it and you can use it in industries to lift heavy objects. Thank you.